love the city. That was delicious. Highly recommend. Apologies to all of Emanuela's fans. She's not in the next couple of episodes. I got called up for a couple of weeks at TAFE. I'm doing a trade upgrade from auto electrician to dual trade auto electrician diesel fitter. It's a bit annoying. I only get a couple of weeks notice before TAFE. Given that we don't live in Perth, it's not super handy. I'm living in a backpackers at the moment in Northbridge, and I'm just training back and forth to TAFE. This episode, the Swivel Hub job continues. Here it is. I am absolutely over this Swivel Hub job. I'm just over it. She's been off the road for too long. It looks like there's no progress. It's real getting me down, so this is the swing. This next 2 weeks, this is it. There she is over there. Just wait and mark my words. She will have her wheels on in 2 weeks' time. First job for the swing is to clean these up and paint them. I didn't think I'd be able to get these brake pipes out of these brake hoses, so I just ordered replacements so I wouldn't have any dramas. I learned this one from my dad. You got a hole or something like that you just want plugged to stop dust, or maybe if you're painting and you don't want paint to get in there, ear plugs. It's heaps easy to line that pipe up before locking in the hose. It's okay. Next time I'll replace the wheel nuts. On this one of the jacking bolts is snapped off. Allows me to do everyone's favorite pastime, using an extremely well provisioned easy out kit to try and get that bastard out. You ever tried to sharpen a left-handed drill bit? I think I made it worse. Getting serious. This is the fourth nut. I think I got a good weld on there this time. If this doesn't work, this is the end. Something's moving. Come on, baby. Ha 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 ha. This is what victory looks like. This is a problem. This rear face seal for the back of the drum here shouldn't be that easy to put on. I think next time I'll get the genuine seals rather than these aftermarket ones I got from Wayno's. Feeling pretty good about that. I thought I was going to have to DevCon it up, but actually feels pretty solid. Maybe that's how big they are from factory. Surely not though. So sick of working out here in the bush. To get Suzie back in the workshop ASAP. Not really sure why I didn't set up the lights 3 swings ago. Rad. Pretty clean. Seal goes in with the spring facing in towards the diff. It's just a bit of diff oil. The back side of this oversized socket I got here is perfect for pushing that seal in. Move this up a little bit. Again, spring side towards the diff. This notch here is supposed to align with this little pin. Get the preload on these bearings right, I'll do the same shims that I did yesterday, which was 2.1 millimeter shims on the top and 1.3 down the bottom. There's this bearing spacer too. 8.7 Newton meters. That feels pretty tight. That feels about right to me, but check it with my handy dandy digital luggage gauge. Wrap that around where the tie rod goes, and from a tangent line you're going to pull, and just when it breaks away and starts moving, that's your measurement. It's supposed to be between 6.3 and 8.7, and that was 8.7 then, so I might swap out the 2.1 millimeter shims on the top and replace that for a 0.3. And I'll put some Loctite 515 on all of the mating surfaces there in between the shim packs. It was about 8.2, 8.3 within spec, perfect. Let's see how the deep one. So happy. That's both sides done now. 2 working nights left in the swing. Cleaned all the old grease out of there. This little grease needle has been the true MVP of this entire experience. I think everyone in the world should have one of these. All greasy and disgusting. I assume that's about right. Oh, listen to that. Gross. Pissed down rain yesterday, so I didn't come out here and work on her at all. Fly out tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock, the bus leaves. It's 7:30 p.m. now. I'm committed to getting these wheels on. Actually, I've already given up on getting the wheels on, but I want to get it to the stage where next swing, once I paint the wheels, I can just smash them straight on. I'm going to put the axles in, the CV joints in, mount the spindles on the top, put the brakes on, and then set the wheel bearings. So let's do it. One 1.7 to 3.2. Almost forgot to put the locking ring in there. Got the other side to do. I'm not going to film any more of it. I'm just going to go and smash it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. All done. Oh yeah. She's ready for some wheels.